Hello, my name is Lucile Allen-Paisant. I'm the director of Mind It and founder of Leeds Wellbeing Week. I'm all things well-being, making sure that we prevent stress in our lives, or at least know how to manage it. Mind It is an organization that supports organizations and their people to thrive. We offer well-being services from the 60 minutes lunch and learns up to the full day training. We work on stress management, on resilience, but also mental health awareness and mental health support. But we also have fun activities like laughter yoga. We have activities where you learn things such as nutrition. So it's quite broad. And with this partnership with the PA Hub, as PA Hub members, you're going to enjoy a few well-being sessions around your well-being or the well-being of your team members.